How to create a verified PayPal account.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time at this channel, do well to subscribe and like for more. I'm gonna show you how to create a verified PayPal account using your phone.
Open your web browser. Swipe down to the bottom of the page. Click on the flag at the bottom right corner. Go to the African country list. Choose any country in the list. For example, Botswana. Don't click on Sign Up with email address and password. Swipe down and tap on Get Started. Choose Business Account. Type in your email address. Enter your password. Fill in your name, first and last name. Enter your business name. Change the country to your preferred country. For example, I chose Ghana because I'm in Ghana. Type in your phone number. Fill the address line. Enter your town. Tap on Agree and Continue and Continue. Choose the business type. Type your product and service keyword. Fill in your date of birth. Choose your identity document and fill in. You can use the business address as the home address. Choose your nationality. You've created your PayPal account successfully. Now let's verify our email address. Confirm your email to get verified. Go to your Gmail and verify the email. Confirm the email. Type your password to login. Confirm the email now. Your PayPal account has been verified now. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more.